to Nancy Baby TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepare all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hope you all are doing great. Today let's take a look at this breakfast idea that you will love to see. So without further ado, let's keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video to your friends and your loved ones. So I started this kind of content just for people that knows how to cook and don't have the time to organize their breakfast, lunch or dinner. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be bringing to you on this channel with my regular video too. So you'll be seeing both this kind of content and the regular video. This is going to help you and make your cooking easy. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, share to your friends and loved ones, and I will see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.